We are in County Laois today to mark IBEC's first ever Manufacturing Day Ireland. It's a brand new initiative to highlight all the opportunities, experiences and lifestyle choices that are available to you in the manufacturing industry. We've joined with one of their partners, CJ Sheeran Group, to discover what exactly goes on behind closed doors.
The CJ Sheeran Group, it's Ireland's largest timber packaging and pallet manufacturer. We have 13 locations across the island of Ireland and we employ over 450 personnel. So manufacturing is certainly undergoing a huge transformation at the moment in terms of becoming much more technical, the introduction of automation, robotics, AI. So the opportunities within this business are multiple and across a broad range of disciplines.
I started working for CJ Sheeran 9 years ago as a general operative. Through my journey, I was sponsored through the talent tree program to attend university. Did a Bachelor of Accounting and Business. And through that, I was also working with CJ Sheeran for 4 years. Now in the year 8, I'm now the Group Process Manager. Well, the support I've received from CJ Sheeran is absolutely amazing. For me, it was life-changing. I mean, it's only starting. I think I have so much more opportunities that I could develop going forward as well. The environment is amazing here. We have different departments from sales, finance, accounting, production, operations. Everybody is really supportive. Everybody works hands in hand. The dynamic is amazing because people are pushing each other to grow up and do better every day.
When I was coming in, I just thought we manufacture pallets, but we do so much more than that. We're in every industry. Pallets move the world, which is very true. I realised finance is where I was born to be. There's many different opportunities to come into an industry like this, trying in different areas. Maybe you decide that you don't like that area. They'll guide you in the correct way and where your talents are. So I started out coming in as a trainee accounts assistant, progressed on to my current role, which is a part qualified accountant. I'm excited to see where the next steps take me.
There's 8 or 9 of us now in the team in our area, and it's a great mix. All ages, lads from different areas, lads come from different backgrounds as well. A lot of initiative there, constantly push each other to bring it to the next level. From the lads on the ground that want to be hands-on, coming from their trades, their carpenters, stuff like that, up to the sales, accounts. For anyone of any background, there's a job here, and again, there's endless opportunity behind that. In every role. We've guys coming in as sales apprentices with no experience, who again are becoming account managers, dealing with some of the biggest companies in the country and in the UK as well. If you have the initiative there to go further, to learn, the sky's the limit, as they say, in an operation like this.
More than 60 companies took part in the first ever Manufacturing Day Ireland this year, and the message is clear. Manufacturing in Ireland isn't just a job, it's a journey.
For more information about Manufacturing Day Ireland, you can go to ibec.ie.